Hi, it's me Zai. Today I'm going to show you a video of the data visualization in Power BI. This is for the accounting module. So here we have a sample of sales overview report according to the year since you started the accounting module up to the current year. As you can see, there are 4 charts over here. The first one is at the table where we list all the sales including and excluding taxes for all the years. You can also see the value of the tax over here on the right column. And down here we have a chart for the increase and decrease of your total sales. So when you move the cursor to any of the bar like this, you can see the exact amount of your total sales excluding taxes and including taxes. So on the right side of your chart, there is a total sales of your company for the entire time since you have started the accounting module. So for this case, it's the total sales for 2017 until 2021. And here, right here, is the breakdown of your sales according to the months. What you see over here is the total sales of each month for all the 5 years here. 2017 to 2021. So if let's say you want to see the breakdown for 2020, you can go to the top left of your chart over here and you can click on the year 2020 or click on any desired year, your desired year. So you can see that if I click the year 2020, you can see the sales overview for the year of 2020, and this bar over here is the breakdown of your 2020 sales according to the month January until December. So up here there's a line chart where it is an overall sales for all years 2017 to 2021, and if you move the cursor to any of the line like this, you can see the exact amount, not rounded, of your total sales for that particular year. So for 2019 you can see 692,000 plus minus. And then let's say if you want to see the total sales overview for all the years from 2017 to 2021, then just go here and click the box over here. So all the charts will display the sales for the 5-year period. Last but not least, all of these charts are related to each other except for this line chart, because this line chart portrays the sales overview for 5-year period. So let's say if you want to see the sales for Q3 2018, just click on the table and all the charts will appear according to what you want. And you can also unclick and click on your desired year, for example 2019, and you want to see the Q4 of 2019, just click on the table and the charts over here and here will appear the value that you wanted. So I think that's all for today. Thank you.